All right, so I got some stuff done today on the Corvette. I did the rear axle because it was leaking on the passenger side. I did the brakes. I tried to lower it using the stock bolts, and then when I did that, I wasn't able to get out of my driveway, so I had to put it back. And I also went ahead and coated the wheels black. So I thought you guys might be interested in seeing that. So I'm going to show you first of all, actually, what some really worn out brakes look like. That is like zero brake pad left. This is the rotor that was making contact with it. The rest of them were pretty equally zero pad left. This was the axle that was torn. And anyway, pretty easy job. I would recommend doing it versus paying somebody for it. The other thing I did get done was I got the wheels. I used a new product. I've never used it before. I can't recommend it yet because I don't know how well it's going to hold up. But I used a duplicolor. Shoot, I don't remember what it's called. Hold on one sec. It's a two-part system. So you put, custom wrap wet look is what it's called. So yeah, I'll let you know how that holds up. I haven't decided what I want to do about wheels and tires. I was really thinking that I'm going to do the 2018 or 2019 ZR1 kind of mesh style wheels. But I figured these would get me through the winter. When I took them to the shop and had tires mounted, they told me that lots of them have some bends and stuff, so I'm assuming that they aren't going to ride really nice. So these won't be on here permanently, but I figured that they would look better like this than chipping and peeling chrome. So what I did is I sanded down the chrome. I had one chrome wheel and the other ones were polished, so that was super fun. And I got that one cleaned up. I put the two-part system on them. And overall, I mean, it's a gloss, which is way better than most of the normal plastic dip. So anywho, next things to do on the Corvette are paint corrections, so I'm going to work on that. I've got to also go ahead and paint these mirrors and stuff right here, and then work on some of the interior stuff. So really productive day, super excited. I hope it's not raining outside tomorrow so I can take it out and see how it drives with the new axle in there. So thumbs up, smash the like button, subscribe button, and I will post more stuff of my new Corvette.